Welcome back everyone. Today let's create the best ever mocktail recipe with few simple and healthy ingredients like green tea, fresh mint and ginger for some real summer flavor, and tropical touch with some mango juice. And this recipe is perfect for summer entertainings and picnics. We'll start by boiling 2 cups of water, and when the water starts to boil, we'll add 2 to 3 thinly sliced pieces of ginger. You can also crush the ginger and then add it to the boiling water. Boil it for 3 to 4 minutes and then we'll turn off the heat. Turn off the heat and then we'll add 2 tablespoons of green tea. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll take around quarter cup of fresh mint leaves and roughly crush them to release the fresh flavor and aromatic oils. Mint makes a delicious and healthy addition to many foods and beverages. It helps relieve indigestion, improves brain function and cold symptoms. After 10 minutes, let's check on our tea. Strain the ginger and green tea into a pitcher and then we'll add crushed mint leaves into it. After it cools down a bit, we'll add 2 tablespoons of honey and mix it well. In the end, we'll add 200 ml of mango juice, mix it well and refrigerate it for 4 to 6 hours. Now strain the drink and serve cold with ice. This drink is very satisfying with all the healthy ingredients, with natural flavor of mango and antioxidant benefits of green tea. So enjoy this mango, green tea and mint mojito with your family and let me know in the comment section how was it. Stay tuned for more upcoming summer drinks that I will upload soon. Till then, stay safe and enjoy. Thanks for watching.